Once you understand how to find great real estate deals, you will quickly realize that traditional banks and even hard money lenders are not your only options for funding. Utilizing private money is the ultimate way to leverage other people's money too. Scale your investing business without constantly draining your own savings account. A private money lender is simply an individual, like a family member, a friend, or a local business owner, who wants to earn a higher return on their idle cash. Instead of letting their money sit in a low-yield savings account, they act as the bank and lend you the capital to purchase and renovate a property. In exchange, you pay them a fixed interest rate, and their investment is safely secured by a legally binding mortgage or deed of trust on the actual real estate. This arrangement is a massive win for everyone involved because you get the fast, flexible cash you need to close the deal, and they get a reliable passive income stream. The key to successfully raising this type of capital is presenting a highly professional deal package that clearly outlines the numbers, the timeline, and their exact security position. Let's walk through the exact pitch you should use when approaching a potential private investor so you can start funding your next profitable flip entirely with outside capital.